Hello, good morning everyone. Uh, Washing day. Look at the clothes. Not so many. Mula Buwak na kain. Lot of bubbles. I don't like the area. So many bubbles. Washing time, guys. It's early morning here. Around 6 o'clock. But it is already bright. Might be hotter again today. Some place here in Bohol they experience rain through that typhoon Ambo, but here in Burgos nothing, not a drop of water. So we are hoping for that, but no luck. No such luck. Our place really here, guys, is so hard to rain. I don't know. It's like a desert. We're gonna have a rain here in the last not early. So now I need to start washing so I can do my job here. Because if I do washing, it takes me so long to finish it. Yeah. If I do washing, guys, kayo ko mag-wash. That is why I woke up early. Sorry on my voice. My golden voice. So bad na drain ang water. Masuk kami toilet. Na drain, guys. Sayang. Nababa naman ko ning. This one is already broke. The lock. Sayang. Kunaling kamutan. Oh, this was already broke. Then Philip fixed it. Yeah. Broke already. And every time I drain, I just pull the wire so it will drain, but now he keep on draining. I'll just wash my hands. Use my hands. I just waste the powder, so I can't do anything because it won't lock. This is already broke. Oh my gulay. Malinaw. So I'll just go hand wash. May man noon eh. Just put there. Siya nga sa tubig eh. Malawan na lang tayo, guys. Siya. Siya nga sabon. Musik na.